In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add video to your SmartrMail email. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member here at Video Email. Video Email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add video to your SmartrMail emails. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll run you through how you can create a video email, just like this example. Okay, so let's create a video email. We have started to create a new email campaign in SmartrMail. We select our template. This can be either a theme or a layout. We are using a layout. Having selected our template, we scroll to the foot of the template to locate the block options. We select the HTML block. Using the arrows on the block in the template, we reposition the block to be positioned at the top of the template. We are now ready to move on to creating our video content. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we add a name for our video. We now upload our video from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting a file from our folders. We now enter the width of our video at 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our video will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the video file. We have now successfully uploaded our video. Next, step we choose how we are going to use the video. We select the option to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of the page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our video content to our template. We return to SmartrMail where we paste the HTML snippet into the HTML code editor and click the Save button. Our video is now in position within our template. Next, we select the Preview option to view our video email on desktop and mobile. We now proceed to complete our campaign setup, ready for testing and sending. Thanks for watching. For details of the unlimited free trial of the Viewed Video Email platform, scan the QR code or use the link shown here.